Pero actually, dili ko ganahag na nanay stones ang wedding ring.
Morning. So you're Von's Gold. Welcome. So you're looking for a wedding ring?
Yes po.
Yes po. Nana engagement ring, ma'am, if you don't mind
Nana.
asking.
Dari po gikan.
Ay, dili gikan sa amo. Hindi mo gali, sir?
Munchang weng.
Ay, munchang. Munchang.
Kamis.
Yeah, ay oo. Kuan. Metal prong. Cathedral setting. Size is okay lang. Okay lang.
Niluag siya sa kuha kay namayat ko gamay. So, na.
Feeling mo, nang book pa ka o dili na?
Dili na.
Tama.
Ayaw, di ba? Sa pahulog.
When is the wedding? October this coming October. I suggest no na. Kasi since mag-put man tayo ng wedding ring, then it will be fit na later on. So ma'am, nana kayo design in mind for your wedding rings?
Pero basing namin masuggest, dili po ni
It's okay.
sure kung okay ba ni.
Sige.
Pero actually, dili ko ganahag na nanay stones ang wedding ring. Mura gusto ko mas
Plain lang ka. Okay. So if you want plain and then you want yellow gold, may I suggest na since small man ka nga babae, gamay po kagkamot. This one is 4mm. May I suggest if we can go to with 3mm.
Pwede po na.
3mm yung width, yes. I have a sample. So here, sa ring size nyo, I give you two options. This one is 18 karat yellow gold. Ideal na to sa ring sizes nyo. But if I may suggest, if you can go a little bit higher para din kapal kay sir, ma'am, since maganda na yung ring mo, I would suggest
Okay na ko, no?
okay na kani. So, 50% down payment to start the production, remaining 50 kapag tapos na.
Down naman.
Yes po. Screenshot ko, sir. So, we're okay na si ma'am size 3, si sir size 7, 5mm. Screenshot ko, sir. I-send ko sa page, sir.
Okay.
Screenshot na lang ko, sir. Follow me for more golden tips. Thank you for watching and stay golden.